Whistling. Don't be scared, little guy. What the heck? Oh, just annihilating these guys. Those are nice bats. I'll take a spiked bokeh bat. Alright, I'm getting distracted here, man. We need to get over to that elefante. Elefante. I need to get my voice back. Breathing on all that toxic air takes a toll on your body. Alright, this guy's irritating. Dude, I'm trying to spin. Oh. Sorry, not sorry. You gotta be aggressive with the demon. Some pastors want to counsel the demons. I prefer just to cast them out. Alright. Going up there. On the road again. Oh, save those. Oh! Please fall off. Thank you. I just want to thank you. Aw, it's rabbit shield. I want that rabbit shield, man. I'm trading it in for this one. Yeah, hunter. That's what we are. We're demon hunters. Wherever there's unrighteousness, it's gonna die. Only righteousness can swallow up unrighteousness. Anything else is just wishful thinking. Okay, bows. Stuck in this rainstorm. Down here, buddy. Fruit. I want fruit that remains. Oh, it's not glowing. Is it glowing? Yeah. Double portion of luminousness. I'll take it. I'll take it. Some meat of the gospel to fill my loins with happiness. What's over here? Oh, that beeping is driving me crazy, man. I gotta turn that thing off. That's just gonna make me mad. I don't want to be mad. How do you turn that thing off? Heroes Pass, Sheikah Slicer, why? There we go. Beep beep, beep beep. I'll decide, alright? Am I gonna make it up here? Come on. Come on, Link. Quit grabbing the wall, man. Alright. Run this sideways. Come on. Oh, yeah. There you are. There you are. There you are. Uh-oh. Trouble, 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 trouble. Trouble, 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 trouble. What is this? Treasures. Arrows are always good, man. Oh, no. I just felt my stomach. Go hungry. What? Alright. I've been more skilled in my life. Arrows, come on, arrows! Arrows. Over here, buddy. I don't want you to fly off the edge. What are you yelling at? These pigs are Pharisees. Always trying to stop you from bringing light to the world. Projecting their own image on you. You're full of pride. Well, no. No? Alright, we'll get rid of this thing. I'm actually pretty dependent on Jesus right now. That's true humility, you know. Humility is to depend upon Jesus. Pride is trusting in your own strength to do what only He can do through us. Yielding is humility. Moses was the most humble man on earth. Because if God didn't show up, everyone's going to kill him. Buddy! Alright, let's just keep moving on. Oh, my hammer. Hammer time. With this. What? How did he come out of the ground with a flaming one? I want that flaming. Alright, I'm out of here. This is crazy. This is crazy. These guys are just attention seekers. Coming out of the ground with flashy bats. Oh, I need a flaming arrow to take out this guy. Oh! Where'd it go? You little punk. Where did my